Alright, so I had already printed this image out, and I don't remember what kind of paper I used, but I'll have it down below. So you're going to want to get Mod Podge, the matte one. I tried using the gloss at first, the glossy Mod Podge, but it didn't turn out the same. So I suggest getting the matte. And then I have the fabric tissue. I didn't know which one to pick. And you're going to need your tray, your brush. I got these from the Dollar Tree. The tray I got from AliExpress when I was making those little individual trays. You're going to need some scissors, and the only reason why is because my Cricut wasn't detecting the line, I guess, on the image, so I'm going to do it by hand. So it's okay, because it's not difficult. And you're going to need 2 clamps. I suggest getting this, but I mean, you don't have to. It's not really a big deal. And so just cut along the edge of the image. Now grab your plate. And the way I take the sticker off on the back is I use this Glue Gun. And I just pour it on top of the sticker. And then scrape that bad boy off. There you go. Easy. Now that your plate is wiped and clean, you're going to want to pour the Mod Podge onto the tray. Now grab your brush, and we are going to Mod Podge the center of the plate. Now when you do this, you're going to want to do a thin layer of Mod Podge. You don't want to overdo it. Now grab your image that you just cut, and then you're going to face the image down. Now just line it up as perfectly as you can. Don't mess with it. Try not to move it a lot because it can smear the ink off of the image. So now what you want to do is just flatten it out. Don't be too rough. Okay, now you're going to see these little air bubbles. So what you want to do is just get rid of all of that. You don't want no air bubbles. And there it is. Now what you want to do is get like a towel or something and just wipe off the glue that got onto the plate. Just the sides. So I picked the zebra print fabric tissue. Now cut a square of the fabric and have it over your plate. Make sure it's covered. Now here you want to Mod Podge the side of the plate, not the middle, not yet. Just Mod Podge the rim. Now Mod Podge the center of the plate. Now this too gets air bubbles, so what you want to do is just pull on it a little bit and just get rid of all that. Now make sure you get the edges of that plate. You want it to be completely covered. Get rid of the air bubble, see? That little piece right there. Flatten that out. Now you're going to Mod Podge the top of the plate. Just Mod Podge the whole thing. Okay. Now this is where I use my clamps. Just to tighten it. Just a little bit. So this is a tray that I had already made. This one I had used the glossy Mod Podge, and you can kind of see it on the plate where it's like glossy and you can see those streaks. I didn't like that, so I ended up using the matte Mod Podge. So this right here is just a bottle of alcohol, and I just spray it and just sanitize it. I almost forgot, make sure you clean up the side of the plate. And there you have it. Do it yourself custom plate. I hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And please comment below on what y'all want to see next. Later.